Well, me and that orange dead blow have been getting along. I've spent the last probably half an hour tapping to get it all squared. By tapping, I mean beating. But here you can see the frame on top of the frame. And I've already scared myself because I'm not sure if that's going to be quite enough clearance. But I'm not changing it now. I'm going to get my brackets cut off over here and get them welded on and then try to figure out the hydraulics. But that's tonight's progress. Okay, here's a little progress I'm making on these back pins. I cut the tubes off and now I'm just gonna get them kind of set where I want them. I got the frames where I want them and get them tacked on. Well, I better go buy me a lottery ticket because I need 2 pieces, 17 and 3/8. I grabbed this thing and I mean, it's like almost perfect. So I checked to see what my scrap piece was gonna be. And it's like, that never happens. I'm winning $1 million tonight. Or I'm getting 2 pieces out of 1. Or I'm just getting a piece, who knows? Okay, so I'm mounting these cylinders right now. And I got my 4, I don't know what you call them, cross members here or whatever. And I got the cylinders all in there. I'm just pulling them up to where they need to go. And just say I'm just pulling this one up. And I marked it. And I'm gonna just drill all of them the same as that. Should work. So I didn't really know how to do this. First I was gonna drill a hole with the mag drill. Then I realized I had that same alignment issue. And then I was gonna torch a hole, but the hole would have to be as big as the sidewall of the tube. And I don't know, I just really didn't like that. So then I figured I'd drill from both sides like I did before. Only problem was the only drill bit I had that was long enough was this, and it kind of looks a little humorous, but I think it might work. What's in there, boy? Get it. Get it. My God. Only lowered this like once in my life and never this far. Seriously, it's like jacking off an elephant. Pumping an 18-wheeler. You just keep going and going and going, and it's like nothing's happening. I was sitting here for, I don't know, probably 10 minutes, just fucking giving it to this pin. I had this tube that you can't see set in here, trying to shove it across. And I mean, I was just wailing it with a hammer and everything, like a complete idiot. That's, you know, that's what men do if they can't get the pin in the hole right. They just push harder. Finally got it apart, and there's a burr in there. Woo! You're smart. Get away from my big pins! Drilled the holes on here. Now I'm just going to put a little chamfer on here, like this. All right. There, I just finished getting everything tacked in. I am going to test to see what the tilt angle is. I'm gonna go grab my tractor and a chain and see how she goes. Hopefully it works. I'm running out of the lift, but I don't know, I think that looks good enough. I'm not sure what angle that is. I'll hook it up later and measure it, but for now, I think that's good enough for success for me. All right, I'm not even sure where I'm at anymore with this, but no wife, no kids, loud AC/DC, a lot more progress. Got all these members in, welded, tested it out, worked. I don't know, I lifted it, I don't know, tested out. I put these braces in here, gussets, and I cannot stand how they stick out. I don't know, maybe I'll get a torch and cut them off. See how lazy I am. Yeah, ground everything flat on the top so I can put sheet steel on. And I think that'll make it look a lot more like a trailer.